Hey family, this is Reading with Mr. Robinson. So kids, I hope that you're tucked in tight because we're going to read a story so that you can have a good night. Tonight we're going to read Make Room for Zelda. One day the rats got a letter. Our friend Zelda is coming to visit, said Zach. Hooray, said Jack. I'll bake her a cheesecake. I don't know, Zelda, said Mac. You'll like her a lot, said Zach. We'd better clean up to make room for Zelda, said Jack. Let's start at the top of the house, said Zach. I can't wait to meet Zelda, said Mac. The attic had ants and alligators and astronauts. The brothers cleared out all of it, and we were done in this room, asked Jack. The rats filled blue bags with boots and bells. Is Zelda a bat? Asked Mac. No, said Jack. In the kitchen they found cans of corn and a cactus in the corner. Cleaning is cool, said Zach. Are we done here? Asked Jack. Ditch that dusty doll and that duck, said Jack. Toss out those old eggs and elephants, said Zach. Excellent. Did we get it all? Asked Mac. The rats found a room filled with flashlights, fans, and fish. Zelda is our favorite friend, said Jack. Is she a flamingo? Asked Mac. No, said Zach. In the garage, they gathered green grapes and a gold guitar. Mac helped pick up hammers and harmonicas. Is that it? Asked Zach. Zach washed the ink off of the igloo. Jack sorted jars of jam. Mac put away the jump ropes. Are we just about done? Asked Jack. I found our keys and kazoos, said Mac. I found our lost letters, lemons and limes, said Jack. Let's keep looking, said Zach. This mud is no match for my mop, said Zach. These mittens are a mess, said Mac. Does Zelda wear many mittens? No, said Jack. How many nets, nails, and nests do we need? Asked Zach. Mac put the octopus on the shelf with the otters. Is Zelda an ostrich? He asked. No, said Jack. The rats piled up peanuts and pumpkins and pennies. Is Zelda purple or pink? Asked Mac. Neither, said Jack. Quick, wash the quilts before Zelda gets here, said Mac. I'll polish the quarters, said Jack. Who will clean the quail cage? Asked Jack. Time to recycle, said Mac. The rats ran around with rakes and rocks. They were in a real rush. They sorted the socks, the snakes, and the spoons. They tucked away the tent teddy bears and toothbrushes. Is Zelda a squirrel? Asked Mac. No, said Jack. Upstairs was an utter disaster. I'll fold up the underwear, shouted Jack. I'll hide the volleyballs, yelled Mac. But no one could hear because the vacuum was too loud. Mac blew a whistle. Time's running out, he cried. Zach and Jack whisked away the watermelons and wigs. Zelda is on her way, said Zach. The rats found a room full of x-rays and boxes. We're getting lots of exercise today, said Jack. In the yard, the rats stashed their yo-yos. Is Zelda a yak? Asked Mac. No, said Jack. Finally, the rats put away their mops and buckets. The house was clean. So what kind of animal is Zelda? Asked Mac. Before anyone could answer, there was a knock on the door. "Zelda's a zebra," cried Mac. "Come on in, Zelda," said Mac. "We cleaned up just for you," said Jack. "You shouldn't have," said Zelda. And they really shouldn't have. Zelda was a slob. "Now we need to make room for us," said Zach. Well, I hope you're asleep now. And if not, your parents can replay the video. So until next time, have a good night. This is Reading with Mr. Robinson.